Hello people, I have to say this people, this is my 23rd video and today I have to complete 31 videos to reach the 900th mark. Can you believe it? Oh wow. So it's like, I remember see the habit of reading, not everybody has, and reading is a habit that one needs to cultivate really. It requires that effort and time and all. So I remember these colleagues I knew who were from, these top-notch universities in America. I mean, think, but and they were really good, coders and computer programmers and all. But they weren't interested in reading. So even some of Chetan Bhagat's books. I remember this colleague saying, "Tell me the story. What is the story?" He was keen on knowing the story, but the idea of actually picking up that book and reading it was not too appealing. So I think through my videos, I want to be able to make a gist of all these many different nice books so that more people should at least know about these different books and we can start reading them, you know. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.